Hello friends, in this quick video, you will learn how to enable automatic login on Ubuntu Linux. When you start your Ubuntu system, it presents a login screen. On it, you need to authenticate yourself with your login password. This is a handy feature for keeping unauthorized users away from your system. However, in some cases it can cause unnecessary delay. For example, your system is physically accessed only by you, or you are the only person who uses the system. In such a situation, typing your username and password each time you start the system causes an unnecessary delay. In that case, you can enable automatic login. Enabling this feature is also simple and straightforward. For this, log in with your regular user account. Once you're logged in, open Settings. On the Settings screen, open the User's setting. The user's setting is available in the System settings. By default, settings are locked for regular user accounts. To unlock these settings, click the Unlock button. To authenticate the unlock action, type the password of the user account you used to log in. After authentication, toggle this button to enable automatic login. That's it. You do not need anything else. It will enable automatic login. Next time, when this system starts, the boot process will automatically log you in with this user account. It will not ask you to enter your username and password. This feature is good only if this system is physically accessed only by you. Anyone with physical access to this system can access the data stored on it. It creates a huge security risk. Instead of permanently enabling this feature, you can enable it as required. You can enable it when you need it and disable it when you do not. To disable this feature, open User's Settings again. Unlock the settings. Toggle this button to disable the automatic login. That's it. You have disabled the automatic login again. To verify this, restart the system. If the boot process ends at the login screen, it verifies that automatic login is disabled. That's all for this quick video. If you like this video or need help with another Ubuntu feature, leave a comment. I will explain that feature in the next video.